the latest opportunity for payload delivery services to the moon, new partnerships to help advance the commercial space business, and a hat trick for one of our planet-hunting spacecraft. On July 30th, we announced the latest opportunity for industry to participate in our commercial lunar payload services, or CLPS, efforts to deliver science and technology payloads to and near the moon. This new opportunity looks for companies to develop the next generation of lunar landers capable of landing heavier payloads on the surface of the moon, including the South Pole, as part of the agency's Artemis program. Artemis will send the first woman and next man to the moon by 2024, setting the stage for future human exploration of Mars. We've partnered with 13 U.S. companies developing new technologies that possibly could be used by our Artemis program to help these companies work toward space ventures of their own. Under the partnerships, NASA will provide expertise, facilities, hardware, and software at no cost. The partnerships will advance the commercial space sector and help bring new capabilities to market that could benefit future NASA missions. Our Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, has discovered 3 new worlds orbiting a faint, cool star about 73 light-years from Earth. The innermost planet, the Rocky World, is about 25% larger than Earth and orbits the star every 3.4 days at a distance about 14 times closer than Mercury orbits our Sun. The other 2 planets might best be described as mini Neptunes, a type of planet not seen in our own solar system. Researchers hope further exploration of the system can help explain how 2 of these mini Neptunes form alongside the Earth-sized world. TESS, which began searching for exoplanets in the southern sky in July 2018, has now turned its attention to the northern hemisphere to complete the most comprehensive planet-hunting expedition ever undertaken.